What's up, guys? It's the Fix Bros, and today we're gonna be washing this car. What we'll use to wash this car is a bunch of different microfiber towels. Also, you might need to use this for the roof. It might make it easier. You'll need 2 buckets. 1 bucket with soap and 1 bucket with just clean water to rinse it. So a couple tips and tricks before we start. If you ever drop your towel, never pick it up and use it. It's gonna scratch your car's paint, and that's not good. And another trick, if your car is on the sun like that, get your hose and just rinse the car for a super long time so that the paint will cool off. Alright, what we're going to be using is the Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. This is the best soap we have ever tried before. We've tried a lot of different soaps. This is the best so far. So you just add some of this soap. Okay, that's enough. And you just fill it up with water. This soap foams up so well, you will get your car foamed up even without using a foam cannon. Okay, that's enough. Now just clean water for rinsing off towels, because it's a really important step. You do not want dirt and grit to scratch your car's paint. The first step is to wash off as much dirt as possible, not using towels. So while he's hosing down the car, I'll start by washing the roof. Okay, now the second step is scrubbing the car with microfiber towels. Alright, now that we've rinsed off the upper half, it's time to clean the lower half. Okay, now just rinse off the car once again to get all the soap off. And then we'll wash it through one time, fully all over again. Okay, so we've rinsed off all the soap, but we want to make it extra clean. Yeah, all the dirt 100% off. So we're gonna wash it through once again. This is what the finished product looks like. It does not need to get clay barred or waxed because we've recently clay barred and waxed it. It is very shiny. Look at that. You can see the reflection of that tree so well. Wait, one more step. If you guys like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. See you next time.